We detected an unusual trade worth over $1.7 million on Cleveland Cliff stock, ticker symbol CLF, today, April 18. And what's also very unusual about this trade is that in a few days, Cleveland Cliffs reports earnings on April 22nd. And so in this video, we will analyze this unusual option activity to find out how this wealthy investor is trading Cleveland Cliffs for earnings. Are they bullish or bearish? So that we can also trade in the same direction to make money while the rich are getting richer on Wall Street. Because as we all know, they have more access to information, sometimes leaked information, to make better financial decisions on Wall Street. So without further ado, let's get to the data as usual. As you can see on the options time and sales tape, 13,000 contracts being traded at 10:18 a.m. for the April 19 options and the May 17 options, both for the 21 strike calls. So what does this mean? Let's take a deeper look at the option chain for the April 19 options. We can see here the 21 strike calls, 21,000 open interests, which is much greater than the volume of 16,000 and especially greater than the 13,000 unusual options. So we believe these are closing trades. They are closing out of this 21 strike calls. It does expire tomorrow in just one day. And they are rolling to the May 17 options. And you can see here at the 21 strike calls, 2,000 open interests, which is less than the 16,000 and the 13,000 unusual options. So these are the opening trades. And you can see that we simply follow this trade here in the same position by buying these 21 strike calls. And when we analyze this trade, you can see that this is a bullish trade here. Okay. Now, the reason why we followed this trade is actually because it is not a high probability of profit trade in comparison to the trades that we share on our website because of earnings. Even though this trade, we can see the cost of this trade. If we were to multiply this out, these opening trades, $133 per call option times 13,000 is $1.7 million. So even though it is more than $1 million, because of the earnings risk that is coming up, it is not a high probability of profit trade in comparison to the trades that we share on our website. If you are interested in those, make sure to go to our website. We'll put a link at the top here where we share the trades of wealthy investors so that we can set up option strategies to reduce our risk while increasing our profits. Okay, you can learn more on our website. This trade in particular is also very unusual because this wealthy investor we have been tracking for some time. And in fact, back around March 13, you can see this pullback here. And March 14, this wealthy investor bought these April 19 call options, which they closed today. Okay, and you can see that they bought them at a pretty good time because it was at the recent bottom. And so it went up to new highs, right? So this wealthy investor seems to know what they're doing. Okay. because we can see here on March 13, the trading day, right over here you can see March 13, these April 19th, you can see here 14,000 volume being traded at these 21 strike calls. And you can see there was an open interest of 6,000. And when we move to the next day for March 14, now we can see the open interest has increased and 10,000 new trades came in on March 14. And if we go to March 15, you can see now that the open interest has again increased because those were opening trades on March 14. Okay, so that's how we know this wealthy investor was building their position at a very, very good timing on Cleveland Cliffs, buying at this pullback here. All right, and what's also very interesting about this on a technical basis, you can see here we are throughout the year upwards on this trend line here, right? And also if we pull a Fibonacci retracement from the low to the recent high, you can see where we're trading at right now at the 38.2%. This is one of the golden ratios, okay, right here. So a very significant price level on a technical basis. And so let us know what you think will happen to Cleveland Cliffs for earnings. Do you think it will go up or will it go down? In conclusion, this wealthy investor is bullish, going long on Cleveland Cliffs for earnings. If you want access to higher chance of profit trades compared to this trade, which is higher risk, then go to our website at the top right corner. As usual, please smash the like button. It really helps our channel grow. Subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified of unusual option activity. Take care and have a great day.